Hey everybody, thanks again for testing out the Landing Kit plugin. Phil and I are really excited to get this to you. We do have some new features in the works that we're hoping to ship with V1, but for now, it essentially includes what you're looking for, and that is to map custom domains to published posts, pages, or any other published post type, singular post type item. And I'll show you that whole experience in a second, but to start off, when you initially activate the Landing Kit plugin, obviously you're going to see some new admin menus, and I'll go ahead and show those to you right now. So starting with settings, we'll go into WP Landing Kit, and here's where you're going to configure your options for which post types the Landing Kit is compatible with, and also your post redirect options. This essentially tells WordPress whether you want to be able to view posts and pages that are mapped with domains to be viewable under the primary domain still. So if you have this checked, essentially when you're viewing a subpage under your primary domain, that will redirect to the domain you have that page mapped to. If you leave this unchecked, it'll be available under both. So, and then you have global domain settings. And right now that includes protocol enforcement for SSL. It'll be available on a singular domain level as well. You can configure HTTP or HTTPS on individual domains. Let's see, let's go ahead and go to the domains menu. You can see I have two map domains in here already. myradproduct.com and myradbook.com both map to pages, as you can see. And if I were to browse to those pages, you can see a new admin column called map domain, and you can see the domain that the page is associated with. So if I were to click into one of these pages, and in the right hand side in the meta boxes, you'll see a new meta box called domain, and also here you can conditionally set the map domain for this page. So lots of different places where you can actually connect domains and post types, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and add a new domain. I already have one set up in my hosting environment, so I'm going to go ahead and use it, jasonschuler.com, and we will make this HTTPS, and I'm going to save this as a draft because I want to go ahead and create a new page as well. So I'm going to create a new page called Jason Schuler, and just say my new landing page. I'll go ahead and publish this. So let's go back to domains. And this was already set up as a draft, so let's go ahead and publish this, associate it with Jason Schuler, the new page I created, and publish this domain. So if I were to go back to the page now and actually view it, it should be accessible under the primary domain still, since I have that redirect box unchecked. But if I were to check that box and view this page again, it will just redirect to jasonschuler.com. So let's go ahead and go back. So the next step is to actually configure your domain within your host. I've already done that within Cloudways here just to save some time. With Cloudways, it's super easy. You just have additional domains, which you can add as many as you like here. I've already added Jason Schuler, and I've already configured an SSL via Let's Encrypt for jasonschuler.com. So that's all set up, and with Cloudways, you get a static IP for every environment, so that's easy peasy. I typically buy all my domains through Hover, and I have this one through Hover as well. So you can see I already have the A record configured, pointing to my static IP for WP Landing Kit. So now that this is all set up within my hosting environment and my domain is configured, I can go back here, everything looks good, and if I view this page now, again, it should just be viewable this way under WP Landing Kit, but if I go to jasonschuler.com, we get the same page. And it's working. You can see that there is no /Jason Schuler. It's just under jasonschuler.com, and that is what the landing kit is for, creating the ability to map as many domains as you like to any published page, post, or post type item, which essentially turns WordPress into a landing page powerhouse.